Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm just playing on my little gel plate. Actually only going to do one print. I know, that's crazy, right? I pulled out my acrylic paint markers. These are just I don't know, they're a generic brand. Got them on clearance. They don't work the greatest and some of them are quite dried up. Definitely not as good as Posca's. But I know that it's a short video, it's a busy time of year. Hopefully you guys are all enjoying the holidays. If you enjoy the holidays, if you do holidays, or whatever you might be doing this time of year. Hopefully you're not snowed in somewhere, kind of like I am. Well, not quite snowed in. Thank goodness I work from home, I don't have to drive in it. But it's been rather stormy, and lots of snow on the ground the last little while. But at least I'll have a white Christmas, right? But yeah, it's just a short one print quick video playing with acrylic markers, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna play a little music. Thank you all for watching. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a layer down to lift it up, and I'm using Titan Buff, and I've got too much paint on there. So I'm gonna think I brayer it off a little bit, try not to lift it up too much, and then we're gonna see what we get. Hopefully we'll get the whole image. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I want to wish you all happy holidays, and see you all in the next video.